Seafood chowder. Prior to making the chowder, I seasoned shrimp, snapper, and salmon. I diced the vegetables and also washed and parboiled the white potatoes. To a pot, I added 1 stick or half a cup of butter along with the diced vegetables, 1 onion, 4 celery stalks, 1 to 2 carrots, 1 bell pepper and a few seasoning peppers, and 5 cloves of garlic. The vegetables were sautéed well until softened. Here I should have stirred in 1½ cups of all-purpose flour, but don't worry, I added it later and the dish was still on point. Go ahead and add the flour. Next, I added 2 to 3 medium potatoes, 6 cups of water and 1 cup of chicken stock and covered the pot. While the pot simmered, I added thyme, basil, oregano, tarragon and red pepper flakes, along with salt to taste. The diced tomatoes, chive, kernel corn were then added and the pot was brought to a boil. The corn is optional, but it adds color to the dish. Next, I add some heavy cream to the pot and allowed it to boil and thicken. Finally, I added the shrimp, salmon and snapper to the pot and cooked them for a few minutes before turning off the stove. The seafood chowder is ready.